Hi guys, so today I'm going to unbox a new subscription box. At least the box is new to me. This is IV bag and it's a monthly subscription service wherein you get like full size and try on products in beauty products in this bag. And this subscription service is for 499 rupees. I'll mention every detail in the description box along the products I received this month. And you can check that out. And this box was sent to me by IV Bag. This is how the box came to me. It had this black tape all over it. So this is how the bag came. It came wrapped in this bubble wrap, and the bag is very pretty. It's a May bag, and it has this lemon yellow, very bright yellow color, and the bags feel like washable. Let's open and see what we have inside. First of all, I can see an IV Bag sticker here. Then a refer and earn card, like you can refer your friends and you can get 10% off. Then there is a welcome card, and then there is a flaunt and win card. So I'm going to open the products one by one. This is the first product. It looks like a pencil liner or something, and it's wrapped really nicely. So I'm just going to open it and see what's inside. Okay, so this is ElenBlu Power Kohl Kajal in shade Deepest Black. This is a made in Germany product, and this is for rupees 249. So you can never have enough kajals. I love applying kajal on my waterline whenever I'm doing makeup. So this seems like a good product. Then they have BioBloom Sunscreen and Day Protect Lotion. This is for all skin type. So this is like a sunscreen and a lotion in one. And as far as I know, BioBloom is a product that doesn't really have chemicals in there. So this is for 350 rupees, and you are getting 100 ml. I have a little bit on my hand. So this is absorbed, like it's gone, and it's really lightweight, and it's absorbed. It's completely absorbed into my skin. It has a herbal scent to it, and this product has purified water, licorice extracts, almond oil, olive oil, soybean oil, carrot seed oil, essential oil, glycerine. So this is like a really good moisturizer for everything. So I have something wrapped like this, and I can see it's a blush duo. And if I'm not wrong, this is from Nicka K, because I had a blush duo from Nicka K, and the blushes are really good because they are matte, and you're getting two blushes in one. This is the blush duo. Can you see how bright the colors are? And this blush is really pretty. This is for rupees 450. And it's a matte blush. There's a pink, there is an orange. Yeah, this is the third product. The fourth product is Pouty lip scrub from a brand called Plump. It has organic brown sugar, honey and cinnamon powder. This is for 399 rupees, and I love lip scrubs because lips get dry a lot when you use liquid lipsticks or when you use lipsticks on a daily basis. In this month's subscription bag, I have received 2 beauty products, like full-size beauty products, and 2 full-size makeup products, and I'm really happy because I love makeup and I keep on buying stuff, and the total value is 1450, and you have to pay 499. And if you take 3 months or 6 months subscriptions, the cost decreases. And yeah, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.